This tutorial is a request from a viewer who wanted me to do a tutorial on elegant lower thirds. I'm not that good with Photoshop with graphics. With photos, I'm really good with photos, but I'm not good with creating graphics in Photoshop. So I have to rely on what I can find on the internet or other sites that have lower third templates. But I will try and do a real clean looking lower third in the future. But this one here, I found this lower third right here on a site. I'm going to put a link in the description box below the video where you can download it from. It's a free download. So let's begin. So insert 2 video tracks. Get the lower third. Drag to the project media on the second track. Put the cursor at the beginning. Go to Event Pan and Crop. Let's make it smaller. And position it bottom, lower left hand side. It's good. Now insert text media. We're going to call this Days of Summer. Let's scale this down a bit. And we'll scale it to fit. That looks good. Okay, so make your text track the same length as the lower third. Now go to Transitions, select Push, and we want to push this from the left to the right. So select Push Right. And drag it on both the text and the lower third. Now I want to exit this. You can exit it going to the right, all the way to the right. You can go down or you can go backwards. So we're going to exit push left. So we'll do that in the back of it. And look something like this. So that's all there is to it. It's very simple. But in the future, I will do more lower thirds. And I'll try to get a real clean looking lower third. Because some of the banners are too busy looking. And I do like clean looks. Like just having text maybe with a line or 2 lines. And just your text to make it look real clean and professional. I will do those definitely in the future. So in the meantime, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.